Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanjay Manna. Today I am going to talk about impatience. Why people are frustrated in their life, why people are unhappy in their activities. So what is the reason behind that? What is the root cause of getting impatience? So in this video I will discuss with you why people are getting impatient. After that I will give solution. So you have to watch till the end, then only you will able to understand what I am trying to convey to you. And also if you are a new, so please subscribe and like my videos for getting more and more informative videos. So let's start it with the first point, delayed gratification. After global revolution, today we have number of job opportunity to earning the money. Few people are doing business, few people are taking online class, few people are working in industries. So we have lot of opportunities today, and therefore we are changing frequently our career, our profession from one sector to another, from one department to another department, from one company to another. So we are not at all focusing on the particular subject. And let me tell you, if you are not consistent with the one subject, so how you will become a master of this subject? So if you devote more time toward learning the skill, then only you will become master. If you are giving quality time for grasping the own knowledge in the particular area, then only you will be a effective man. Then only you will become a skill-oriented person. And we are not at all focusing the subject. Now after couple of months, we are saying that I am unhappy with the job. I am frustrated with the activities. I am not happy with my manager. I am not happy with my colleague. So tomorrow I will not go to office. Tomorrow I will join in another company. So due to the rapidly changing the subject, we are getting impatient. We don't have the patience right now. So this is now I am going to talk about my second point, missed joint family, love and guidelines. See, if you compare yourself with your parent, then only able to understand who has the more patience. And let me tell you, your parent has more patience rather than you, because when they were growing at that time they had number of siblings, therefore they used to get lot of positive energy from remaining person, and they could not get anything instantly. For getting something, they were waiting for parent permission. They were waiting for their mother permission, and they were going in under of one person head. So in today generation, people are going from rural area to urban area. for getting proper health facility, for getting quality education, for getting the good package salaries. Whenever they are studying, whenever they are getting problem in their life, they are not able to get proper guideline from the elder person because they doesn't have elder person in their family, because experienced person can give effective solution in the particular situation. So due to live in nuclear family, they are quickly getting friends, they are quickly getting jealous, they are not at all focusing on a particular subject. Okay, so this is the second reason for getting impatient, for getting frustrated in their life. Now I would like to talk about my third point, that youth or kids are in charge in our families. See, nowadays mother and fathers both are working in different areas. So kids are growing alone. Kids are enjoying with the technology. They are misusing the technology. So instead of going to outdoor game, they are enjoying in mobile game, and they are making friendship the online, but they doesn't have any friendship in their native place. So if they are going to outside, then only able to get some moral ethics, some moral values. If they are playing with their remaining friend, then only you will get positive energy. And they are playing emotional game with us, and parents always giving freedom to them. And I'm not at all against of them, but if you are a parent, you have to give freedom to them, but you need to control, you need to aware about your kids studies. He is studying well, he is going school or not, it is the parent responsibility. If kids are not studying, if kids are not reading the book, then it is your responsibility to start the reading. If you are reading the book, then only your kids will follow to you. And if you spending with your kids, if you giving quality times to your kids, then only they will play with you, then only they will away from the technology. Otherwise they will get monotonous life, they will get hatred life, they will get jealous life. This is a third reason to be a impatient person, and I know you will not allow your kids to be a person. Now I am going to talk about the solution. The solution is there, so we need to find out. See, if you are working in front of computer or laptop, we are refreshing after couple of time, because if we are refreshing, then only it will perfect effectively. See, same things in mind also. If we are taking long breath after couple of minutes, then only we will able to control our mind. And second step, After woke up from the bed, you need to do meditation for 10 minutes. Then only you will charge your mind. Then only you will focus more and more on the particular subject. And after that, if you are doing exercising, then only your body's muscles will improve. Then only your body's all cell will be active. So, and if you going for yoga, then only you will control yourself. So if you following this habit, then you will be a. Thank you guys listening to my speech since last couple of minutes. If you have any doubts or queries, or if you have any secret for being a patientful person,